Hello audience, if your birthday tab missing from your Facebook app, let's see how to fix birthday tab disappeared from your Facebook app. Step 1. Open your Facebook app. Now click on your Facebook menu icon from the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now click on Help and Support. Now tap on Report a Problem. Now click on Report Problem. Now click on Include and Continue. Now select Event. So describe your issue and write down, "Hi Facebook support team, my birthday tab missing from Facebook app. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Facebook support team. Now go back and follow the second step. Now open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Search Facebook app. Now update your Facebook app. After complete the update process, please follow the third step. Now open Facebook app. Click on your Facebook menu icon. Now see Facebook birthday tab show in your Facebook profile, or you can search your Facebook birthday from your search tab. Click on Search tab. Now search birthday. Now go to birthday. Even from here, you can see your Facebook birthday. So please follow this step to fix Facebook birthday tab missing from Facebook app.